And if we won't be on the ball, I'm gonna have to work for the team and like run extra and, you know, apply myself and add value to the team.
She has first contribution from Jansen. A little bit of a gamble, as it were, putting this young man in.
One can say that, but also as a coach, Wadi, that works with the player every day, you'd see his improvement. And I also like what he said yesterday, when there will never be a perfect time to actually include him and to be a starter. And this is the type of game that you need to actually see whether he is ready or not. And it's for Jansen to actually take it. We've seen Mbugazi take it, we've seen Relaph take it.
It starts to feel difficult for me a little at the beginning because I'm not used to playing so much, and starting in such a game is different to me. It's something new.
Jansen gives away the free kick.
Azang Ratuma Dewe never batla gore re thome ka teng, but then kept on fighting. Bakora. Bakora. Eish. Phela no re consider the goal. Hey, my right pose gore eish. Re tlo boya. Oh, maybe ba tlo kora goal engwe. Ra thoma ra chebana ka borona gore wa sa itsa ntshwele, wa sa maka mole. Why when I went to so
Real baptism of fire for this 20-year-old comes from the School of Excellence.
The game goes, couple of mistakes here and there. I start to hear the fans.
The incident ka Jansen mayenzeka bengaphandle ebenchini bengekho fair, especially kumuntu ongadlalanga like ama game then bamqalise nge-big game, and nabantu abakwazi uku-understand ukuthi akukho nzima for NI1 but for everyone olapha estadium kunzima for bona, and especially yena kumele athole isupport ebhayi because umuntu ongajwayelanga ukudlala amagame amaningi, yabo.
And I was like right there, like I even looked, like I turned my head and looked to see, like I was wondering like what's happening, like are they speaking about me, like wanting to come off it?
Bakhona abantu ababhabi bayenza ama mistake, but then it's more like bakhethe yena because of bafuna umuntu abamthanda adlale, yabo. But i-discal ispan kanjalo. Whoever select your coach or ubani ukuthi adlale, kumele supportiwe lo muntu loyo. Akuyi ngokuthi ngoba ngene yena abamjwayelanga or abamthanda or lo muntu abamthanda uhleli ngaphandle uye kumele adlale, ayispan kanjalo.
So in that moment I'm like, no man,